In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up missed call text back in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Head over to the left sidebar, click Captain Labs, and then select Automations to open up the Automations page. Click plus Create Automation in the top right corner, give it a name like Missed Call Response, then click SalesCaptain Triggers and select Missed Call as your trigger. Now drag and drop a Send SMS action onto the canvas, click into it, and type your message. Something like, "Hi, sorry we missed your call. How can we help? Reply here or we'll call you back shortly." Then hit Save. Next, drag a delay action right below that and set the wait time to 1 day. This gives your contact some breathing room to respond. Now add an if-else condition after the wait. Set the field to Last Message Received, the condition to Within, and type 1 in the Days field, so you're checking whether the contact has replied within the last day. Under the True path, meaning they did reply, drag in an Assign To element and choose a team member to carry on that conversation. Under the False path, meaning no reply yet, drag in another Send SMS action, click to edit, and type a friendly nudge like, "Hi, still interested? I'd love to help you out." Then click Save. Drag in another wait step set to 1 day, and then add one more if-else condition. Same setup as before. Field is Last Message Received, condition is Within, and days is 1. Again, under the True path, drag in an Assign To element and pick a user to continue the conversation with the contact. And under the False path this time, still drag in an Assign To element and choose a team member to personally follow up with this unresponsive contact. Right after that, drag in an Add Tags element and add a Follow Up Required tag. That way, your assigned user knows at a glance that this contact still needs attention. You're all set. Click Launch Automation, then navigate back to the Automations page, and you'll see your new automation live and ready to catch every missed call. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.